Good day, everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to use the persistent data. However, I will not use the mortgage calculator app. I just wanted to keep it simple. Okay, yeah. So if you still recall, here will be one of the slides I used in my video. Okay, I mentioned about to use the share preferences to retrieve or save data to achieve the purpose of persistent. Then in general, involve kind of 3 or 4 steps. Okay, yeah. For step 1, S1. You need to create a share reference and then call the reference manager that get a default share preferences and then send in the keyword list, which means that that activity. And once you get that, it is as if kind of you create a reference to point to a file somewhere used by your app. Okay, then if you want to read the data, you can directly jump to here, step 1 and step 4. Then you can just call the get, for example, whatever data type can be get in, can be get reference. And then here will be the key, will be the key kind of picked by you. And then followed by a comma, and then followed by a value, which means that if you try to retrieve a value associated with this key picked by you, if the key is not there yet, then the return value will be 1. For example, in this example, okay, so that is how you can read the data. Okay, but if you want to save data, then you have to involve with step 2. So again, then you can use kind of this approach, declare a reference variable of editor type. Yeah, so you have to type the whole thing here. But then you have to again use this preference reference variable, then call the edit method. Okay, yeah, then it kind of allow you to write data. Okay, again, think of it, write data to some invisible file. Okay, then you can do the step 3. Okay, step 3. Okay, and then again you can put means kind of write. Okay, you can write integer data, float data, string, whatever key picked by you, value, whatever value you think is fit. Okay, then use it. However, okay, once you're done writing, okay, remember to call the edit commit. Okay, otherwise the data won't get saved. Okay, yeah. So let me, maybe it's better that I kind of copy this one here. Okay, yeah, and then squeeze into here. Okay, squeeze into here. Okay, so again, once you done, done. Put in the data, which means writing the data, then remember to call the commit. Okay, yeah. So let me quickly show you one simple app. This one, I don't want to make things too complicated. So I pick just one screen. That's all. Okay, yeah. I just pick one screen. That's all. So here will be my screen. Pretty straightforward. I mean, as of now, it should be pretty straightforward to you. So I have kind of label text view amount, and then this will be the value I want to retrieve from the persistent data. Okay, and then here will be something, but edited text will allow users to kind of write data to it. Okay, yeah, and then I got button get data will retrieve the data from the key in the persistent data schema. Okay, and then here will be again the button allow me to save data to it. But then let me approach this get first. Okay, yeah, let me approach this get first. Okay, yeah, so this one associate with the method get data click. Okay, yeah, get data click. So let me get to that one first. Okay, yeah. So over my my main activity part, then I have a method with that name. Okay, yeah. So again, this one will be associated with this button here. Okay, but then in the body, I want to retrieve the data. Right. So I create a method. I create a method called get data. Okay, get data. Okay, now let me walk you through step by step of what this PowerPoint is talking about here. Okay, yeah. So again, for someone who have never used this persistent data, it might be a little bit confusing. Okay, yeah, but then it's okay. Let me try my best to explain to you. Okay, yeah. Okay, so give me a minute. Yeah, so now I should have enough room. Yeah. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, yeah, let's try this. Okay, let me put this one aside a little bit. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now we should be good. Okay, now we should be good. Okay, yeah, now we should be good. Okay, so over here, I want to retrieve the data. Okay, stored into the kind of the shared preferences there, right? So first of all, I just declare available. You can declare available of whatever type, but then I declare available of floating point data type. Variable name, you pick it. That's why I say temp amount. Okay, and then once you have that, remember the over step one over here say that, hey, you have to declare a reference of share reference, a share preferences type, and then use the statement here, reference manager dot get default shared preferences, and put in this in there, right? So you can see that I did get exactly the same. Okay, I did exactly the same. So now let me uncomment that statement. Okay, yeah. So 100%, 100% the same, like the one here. Okay, yeah. All right, nothing new. Just step one. Okay, and then I say, if you want to read the data, you directly jump to step four. Step four here. So since I want to read the data, because this is method, the purpose of this method is get the data from the shared preferences. So let me uncomment this one, uncomment this one. So I say, hey, preference that get because assume that the value I store is a floating data type. Okay, yeah. So I put, then I call the get float. Right? Just like the one over here. Okay, step four. Get float a key. Hey, you pick it. That's why I say you pick the key name. You pick it. Whatever key you want to pick it, use it, but it has to be string data type. And then second parameter here is the backup. So in case that the key is not there, then this will be the return value. So this will be 0 point return, 0.0, floating point value, and store into the temp variable. Okay, yeah. But at the same time, next one I say, hey, I want to display, I want to display the value, text view display will be this one, okay? I want to display the value over here, over here. If there is a value, retrieve it. If with the key name, retrieve it. Otherwise, then you will be, the value will be 0.0. And then again, numerical data type. The quick way to convert it to string is just concatenate it with an empty string. That's it. Okay, so now I hope that you understand the purpose of this get data and how to use it. Okay, yeah, how to use it. Okay, however, again, if the app is first created, so there is no key in the shared preference with this key name there yet. So which means that definitely you will show the value of 0.0. So again, in my uncreate method, then I'm going to call this one. Okay, yeah, call this one, try to retrieve the value with this key. Okay, yeah. So now, okay, let me kind of cue my app, okay, to let you see what it might look like on the first run. Okay, yeah. So let me remove it. Yeah, remove it. And also totally remove the app. Okay, yeah. Press a little bit longer. From here, okay, then pick app information, okay, and then pick uninstall, okay, yeah. So now, okay, my phone does not have, my emulator does not have this app at all, okay. Again, I want to show you a fresh case, I mean, the kind of session, okay, yeah, totally brand new session. So let me load the app, okay, yeah, let me load the app. All right, so you can see that it's loaded, and since, I mean, the first load, there's no this key been created yet, right? So that's why the value is 0.0. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now, okay, you have, okay, I mean, you got some idea about, okay, how to read the data, right? Okay, again, how to read the data with the key picked by you. Okay, but then how about how to save the data? Okay, yeah, so how to save the data. So to save the data, okay, then okay, over here I mentioned it. Okay, I mean, you still have to have, okay, step one, S1, step one, and step two, you have to create, okay, an editor, okay, of this data type, okay, yeah, step two, okay. So then again, use that reference variable, assign the value preference dot edit method. Okay, yeah, so you will make, again, kind of a shared reference become a writable, okay? And then okay, you have to do step three, okay, which means that call the put, then whatever data type, okay, I mean, integer, float, string, long, you name it. And then the first parameter, okay, will be the key picked by you, okay, picked by you. And then second parameter will be the value you want to store, okay, associated with the key, okay? And once you have done it, then remember to call the commit, okay? Yeah, otherwise you won't save, okay? Yeah. So let's see how to apply, okay, this concept, okay? Yeah. So let's see how to apply this concept, okay? Yeah. All right, okay, so, okay, over here, okay, then, okay, let me show you, okay, my right method. So we can see that I have a button here called Save Data. And basically, it will retrieve the data entered by the user here. Okay, so it could be 1.111, okay, something like that. And once this button is clicked, the value here will be retrieved. Okay, I believe that you know how to retrieve it already. So let me not bother you with that. Okay, yeah. But this buttons method will be this one. Okay, yeah, save data clicked. Okay, yeah, save data clicked. Okay, so now, okay, let me go through the code. Okay, yeah. So okay, again, I just declare a temporary variable, okay, because I don't know what value will be entered by the user, so I need to get a variable to convert the string value to the numerical value. Okay, so that's why I declare a variable here. And then next one will be the temporary input of a variable of string data type. Again, it's just my personal style, that's all. Yeah, and then next one. So remember, okay, regardless you want to read data, you want to write data, then you have to, have, kind of this variable, this reference variable available to you, okay, yeah. But then again, to keep things simple, okay, I just kind of repeat the statement here. Okay, yeah. So again, this is nothing new to you as of now, I believe. Okay, and I mentioned it. Okay, step one done. To write data, then you have to write a statement under step two. So again, this will be the statement. Okay, yeah. For to again to call the edit method. Okay, yeah. So again, will be step two. Step three, yeah. So again, to avoid some unnecessary blank data. Okay, yeah. So I use this try block, try catch block. I mean, you don't need to use it if you don't want to. Okay, yeah. But then for me, it's just my personal style. That's all. Yeah. All right. Okay. So again, let me keep things simple. Okay, here first. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so let me uncomment those statements. Okay. So now, you have again step 1 done, step 2 done. Now step 3. So step 3, I say, hey, would you please kind of let me show you the emulator. Okay, would you please kind of retrieve the data here? So this will be the statement. Okay, yeah, to retrieve the text value, convert it to string, store into this temporary string variable, and then I call float dot parse float and then convert the string data type to or string value to floating point value. Okay, nothing new. Okay, yeah. All right, and then next one. Okay, now next one. Okay, then I can call the editor. Okay, yeah, the editor. Okay, yeah, this one. Okay, editor. Then I call the put float. You say, why you put float? I mean, easy, because my data here is floating data type. If it's int, I'm going to call int. If it's string, I'm going to call put string. But since it's floating data type, then I'm going to call put float. That's it. I mean, nothing magic at all. Okay, and then again, the first parameter is a key. Key name. Hey, you pick it. Okay, yeah, that's why I say you pick the key name. Okay, yeah, okay, you pick it. Whatever key you want to use, go ahead, be my guest. Okay, and then second parameter will be the value. Okay, so again, this will be the value. Okay, yeah, entered by the user here. Okay, yeah, entered by the user here. Okay, and then again, after the execution of the statement, you can assume that the data got stored into the temporary shared preference location with the key picked by you. Okay, yeah, you pick the key name. Okay, you pick the key name. Yeah, not me. Yeah, and then remember to call the commit. Okay, yeah, remember to call the commit. That's it. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Boom, that's it. And then this one is just my personal preference. I would like to clear the users kind of users input. That's all. Yeah, that's all. All right. And if again, I mean, if the user did not enter anything, then you will go to the catch block. Actually, it's not going to do anything at all. Okay, yeah, just output some warning sign on my app. That's all. Just for again testing purpose. All right. Okay, so let me run the app. Okay, yeah, let me run the app. Okay, yeah. Okay, so it's loaded. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me remove it so you can see better. Okay, yeah. So let me load the app again. Okay, or let me rerun the app again. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so again, initial load the value. There's no such key. That's why the value will be 0.0. Okay, yeah. And then now, I'm going to put some value here. Okay, yeah, put some value here. Okay, and then you can see that. Let me try 1.234. Okay, and then once I click this button, then this method will be called, and then in the body you will try to. Sorry. Yes, yeah, it's fine. It's fine. I mean, it doesn't matter. Yeah, so it will try to retrieve the value with this key. But again, it's not there yet. Okay, so definitely you will return 0.0 again. Yeah, so there you go. However, if I click this button, then this method will be called. Okay, and then those statements will be executed. Okay, so the value I put over there, 1.234, will be saved. It will be saved. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, will be saved. Okay, yeah. And then you say, I mean, how do you know it got saved? Hey, I mean, again, I mean, we have a retrieve method here, right? Get data. So boom, got it. So again, this is how it works. Okay, yeah. Okay, again, retrieve it, and then can I change a different value? Oh yeah, so let me try again, maybe 3.333, and then clicks, get a check mark, save it again. Okay, yeah, save it again. Okay, and then if I want to retrieve that, save the value with this key, go ahead. Okay, that's it. And then again, you say, well, how do you know the data got saved? Okay, so again, I mean, let me get kind of kind of terminate the app now. Okay, yeah, not uninstall. Okay, not uninstall. I mean, terminate the app now. Okay, yeah, terminate the app now, and then let me click and drag up. So this is my app. Okay, so theoretically, when it's loaded, then now this time it will get again. I mean, go to the uncreate method, then you will get the data with and try to retrieve the data with this key. Since now we have this key created already in the shared preferences already, then the value, I believe, 3 point something will be loaded. Okay, yeah, let's check it out. Yeah. There you go. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, so again, feel free to play again. Okay, yeah, 444. Okay, and then save it. Okay, save it. And then again, terminate the app if you want to. Okay, terminate the app if you want to, and then reload it. Reload it again one more time. Boom, that's it. So again, this is kind of how you can use this shared preferences. I know that the author kind of wait until the last section. So it really, I agree that it kind of makes things kind of complicated, especially it involves the data model. Okay, yeah. Otherwise, if you just look at those 4 steps, you say, I mean, this is nothing. I mean, nothing too complicated at all. Okay, yeah. But then again, when it involves with the model and then 2 activities, that really makes things a little bit complicated. Okay, yeah. But by itself, it's just like that. Okay, yeah. Really just like that. Yeah. 4 steps. Yeah. Okay, 4 steps. That's all. Yeah. Or if you want to call it 5 steps, if involve, if you want to add this a commit method call, then yeah, then I would say maybe it's kind of 4.5 steps. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay. I hope that I won't make things get more complicated again. Yeah, than necessary. Okay, yeah. I hope I keep things simple, and I hope the video is helpful to you. Okay, yeah. So let me stop the recording now. Yeah.